Hey, good morning, guys. This is gonna be the classes of today. Tuesday, 2nd of December. Yes, we almost finished the year. So this is gonna be the class. So we start with language arts. In language arts, we have some exercises about the subject and object pronoun. You see, subject and object pronoun. In this one, first, I have this image over here in which it explain you the rules for the subject and object pronouns. Let's wait up here. You see them. So you got the subject and object pronoun. Subject is the person that do the verb, the action, and the object will be the receiver. And you have the rules over here. Now, but if we go to one of the exercises over here, the first exercise, this one, we open it and we go here. And we see here, we can use subject pronouns to replace the names of people and things like I, you, he, she, it, we, they, right? So in here, A, we have Bill is happy because Bill, he is having fun. So we click on he. Now, the children go to school. The children go to school. Are learning band. So we're talking about we, they, or she. I think they're talking about they. So here you will type they. See? So the children going to school, they are learning math. So I choose that one and I type it over here. That's basically what you need to do there. And this one is going to be the object pronouns. It's gonna like the same. You read the sentence and you have to choose the right pronoun that you need to use. Okay, and then you click finish. So basically the other exercises are the same about the subject and object pronoun. Okay, now if we move to social studies, we're gonna talk about water cycle. Do you remember the water cycle that we talked? Okay, first of all, I leave you this video over here in which it will help you to remind you about the water cycle. Okay, right? We got this that talks about the water cycle. When you stop watching it, you go here now to this exercise, the first one. It will give you also a new talks about the water cycle and how it works. You have to read here this and it explain you when happened condensation, precipitation happened with this, collection, what is collection, when happened the evaporation happens here. So it will tell you, it will explain you. And when you go down here, you have to complete. So the first question says, water from the oceans, rivers, and lakes turn into gas. So this is called, so now, if you don't know, you can always come here, read the specification of those water cycle process, and you will find the right answer, okay? From here to third and fourth, okay? And you have to choose here. You have to drag the one that you think goes to the right one. Now you got the water condensations here, the water cycle, in which you have to type the right process, where it goes evaporation, where it goes condensation, where it goes collection, where it goes precipitation. Okay, now in this one you have to choose, you have to see the pictures and you have to choose which one is this. What is it talk about? This is talking about hail, rain, or snow. This picture is talking about what is it talking about? This it's about breeze or wind or gale. Which one you get to do? So you choose, like say if I think this is rain, I go here and I put it here. You see, that's basically it. So basically the other exercises that are here about water cycle, you see here there are other exercises here basically about that water cycle. Okay, so basically it's about that. Now if we move to multiplication, we're gonna talk about multiplication this today for math. Okay, I gave you the table. Usually it will help you to do some work. If you need help with the table, I'll give you a picture over here about the table. Now if we move to, let's say, this exercise, it's basically all the same. We have to use multiplication. This one you have to, basically it's a puzzle, pretty simple. So you gotta do the right answer over here. 2 times 7, what is 2 times 7? So I take the picture and I look for the answer. 2 times 7, I think it's 14, so I put it right here. You see, then I have to use the answer so I can complete the puzzle. Okay, don't just do this and try to do the puzzle. Just, it's easy for you if you find the answer, right? So if I see this exercise, let's say this exercise over here, I got also a multiplication. Remember, you got number one. This means that number one, number two, number three, okay? Don't get confused. Let's go. So basically here we got 4 times 0. Remember, every time you multiply with 0, the number will be 0, okay? So 4 times 0 will be 0. Then we on the top, the front, and we multiply now. 4 times 1 is 4. So then I have this the first answer right here, 40. Same, we move the same ones over here. All right, they're very simple. If you have also the table, and then you have another exercise over here, which is about multiplication too. Very simple, okay? Just don't worry about it. Kind of like this one. Let's say we do this 4 times 8. We look for if you need the table, we do 4 times 8. 4 times 8, we look for the table 4, we got that is 32, okay? 4 times 8 is 32, so we go back to the exercise and I say 32, so I put a 2 and a 3 on top of here, 3. So I say 4 times 4, I go to the table, if I don't know, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3 is 19. So I put a 19. So I put a 9 in this case here, and then I put the 1 over here. Now I multiply 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, 5. There you go. That's what you have these numbers over here. This is going to be for the reminder. So you have this first answer. That's basically how you need. That's why you have this squares over here, these boxes. Okay. Some don't have to because you can find it directly, okay? Don't worry about it. So that's basically for math and for Bible. For move to Bible, I got some quizzes about compassion. I want you to guys to study about compassion. It's one of the values of the month that we work on it. So I give you this quizzes. So you choose one from here, one from here, and one from here, and that will be it, okay? So let me finish here early. So that's gonna be the classes for today. Okay, if you need any more answers or questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you at the class. Thank you.